Here's how to download an embedded PDF from any website. So the first thing that you're going to do is to search any embedded PDF converter. So as for me, it is the ilovepdf.com. And then what I need to do is just to scroll down, and then I will see there a start now or convert now option. So what you need to do is to select on that and then click on the add HTML or the embedded link, and then go ahead and paste on the embedded link of the PDF that you wanted to convert. And then once you have already pasted it, click on the add options that you can see right after the link, and then wait for a few seconds before it creates a preview or access the URL or embedded PDF that you wanted to convert. Afterwards, click on convert to PDF options, and then after a few seconds you will see there that you can now go ahead and download the PDF itself to its embedded link, and that is how you download it from any website.